In this video, I tried YouTube Shorts for 10 days to see if it's really worth it, and is it really easy to go viral like people say or not. So in this video, I will show you how many shorts I posted, how many subs I got, and how many hours I spent to produce new short every day, and also I will give you a step-by-step guide by the end of the video to get better results than me. So I started this channel in June, and I selected the football niche, and because of the traditional way of making shorts like Neymar, funny moments just getting a copyright strike, I started with a different way to make videos and posted the first video on the 2nd of June, and you can see the video on the screen.
Did you hear the news? Kylian Mbappe is making history with a blockbuster move to Real Madrid. Real Madrid has sealed the deal with PSG's superstar Kylian Mbappe for a staggering $200 million. But that's not all. Mbappe's monthly salary at Real Madrid is set to be an astonishing $2 million. This is one of the biggest transfers in football history, and fans are buzzing with excitement. Are you ready to see Mbappe shine in Madrid? Subscribe for more updates on this historic deal. Don't miss out.
This video got a total of 8K views and 12 new subs, and the second video was okay on the 3rd day of June and got a total of 12K views and 26 new subs. And I was posting every day until I stopped because of the EID, so I stopped posting, and you can see here I tried to make a new type of video, but it got blocked. So don't worry, it's a normal thing that happened to you. And after like 8 days of no posting, I posted a new short and got 13 views. And yes, it's a normal thing because I stopped posting for a while, and I posted a new short yesterday and got over 9K views. And it's very good because I stopped posting for a long time. And if we sorted the time of starting this challenge from the 2nd of June until the 12th of June, we will see that we got a total of 67K views and 133 new subs. I know you may see people get their channel monetized in like their 3rd week, but they post like 3 times a day and put tons of effort. And for me, I put like 30 mins a day only to produce one short and just post 1 time a day. So TBH, I didn't give it that effort and still have a decent amount of subs and views. So like I promised I will teach you how to make a video like my most viewed video that got over 12K views. So I can say that I earned these decent amount of views because I followed just 3 steps that make anything successful, not just in YouTube Shorts. The first step is defining your niche, and to do this step correctly, do not go to YouTube and type the best YouTube Shorts. It's the wrong method. To really select a good niche, just follow your passion. I mean, for me, I was obsessed with football, so that's why I selected this niche. You may be obsessed with gaming, basketball, or scary stories. It's all good niches, but the key point is to select a niche that you are already interested in. And that's led us to the next step, which is market research. I mean, look for your biggest competitors, how many times they post in one day, what is the strategy that they are using for me. Those 2 guys were my biggest competitors, and if you don't know, my most viewed video was just a stolen idea from this guy. The last step is the idea and editing. Look to select a good idea. For any video, you don't need to be a genius. I mean, I told you that I stole a video idea from my competitor, so when you find them in the previous step, just copy their videos. And it's really simple to copy. I mean, if you are in a basketball niche, you can get a famous team and his biggest enemy of all time and start comparing them in your video like I did, but the difference is that I did it with players. You can do this by placing the logo of the big teams and comparing us to each other, or comparing the young players to the old players as I did. I put a picture of the Barcelona club players with a picture of the young Real Madrid player, Arda Güler, who got the UCL trophy, while 4 of the Barcelona players did not get it. With a few visual effects, this is the result. This type of clip is very good because it attracts the attention of viewers, especially Barcelona fans, who start a war in the comments, and Real Madrid fans respond to them. This way, you can guarantee comments and views. Because you waited until the end of the clip to get the valuable secret, I regret telling you that there is no secret, as most YouTubers tell you. What you must do is develop an accurate plan and a good strategy and be regular in posting daily. This is the plan or the secret that you must do. Now we have finished our clip, so subscribe to the channel and see you later.